¿Qué es la que hay, guys? Welcome back. My name is Wes and welcome to my blog, Tony West DIY. I just cleaned the RX-7. I'm trying to rush to go to my last Cars and Coffee here in Ramstein, Germany. A lot of people are coming out. The weather, again, in Germany is always raining, and today is not that bad. And a couple guys are gonna take pictures of the car. So I'm just gonna try to enjoy my last Cars and Coffee. And with my RX-7. And remember, if you're new to the channel, press like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you receive notifications every time I upload a video. Oh, I know today is gonna be a great day, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. And if you really care about your Rotary, every time that you get gas, you might want to put a little bit of this. For this car gas tank is 20 gallons. So even though I have OMPs or oil metering pump, I always put like 4 to 6 ounces. Alright, so we're going to the right to get running shots. Thanks to LPB Works on Instagram. I'll post the link down below. My man Ludy is gonna take pictures of all of us, and yeah, I'm excited. Again, like I said before, this is my last Cars and Coffee here in Germany, and I hope you guys enjoy it. That's all for today's episode. Please subscribe, press the subscribe button and the bell button next to it, and see you guys until the next one.